ang ganda lang makita yung mga pagmumukha nyo with your dogs and your energy. Hep, hep! Pit! Ay, galing. Love the energy. It's so nice to see everyone here. Ang dami ko ding narinig na may mga taga Manila pa dito, taga-ibang bansa. Ay, may taga-ibang bansa ba? Charot lang. Pero if ever, amazing. It's nice to see your dogs here. Asan yung mga may dogs dito? Raise your hands. Ayan, raise your dogs pala. Kawawa naman yung aso. Yes, as you notice, wala dito yung honey choco. Wala siya kasi hindi siya pinayagan because of her breed. Kasi she's crossbreed. She's half Chow Chow and Japanese Spitz. And bawal daw pala siya i-fly. Pero I'll be running today 5 kilometers. So sa mga nag 5 kilometers dyan, see you. And she'll be with me in through spirit. Char. Ay. Ay, hindi, mali pala. Yes, pero it's nice to see everyone. This is the third leg of Aya, For the Love of Aya run. Yung first two is sa Manila. So, sa mga, I know meron dito naka-run na in Manila. Yes, it's so nice to see here in Cebu, my beloved hometown. So, sana enjoy lang tayo today. And, take care. Sana mag-cooperate yung weather until the end. And thank God kasi kagabi umulan siya. So, I was so worried kagabi kasi baka uulan din this morning, tonight. This morning, pero wala naman. So, sana until the end, okay siya. So, ayun lang. And for this run, this is very special kasi Honey's birth month is July and it's a July this month. And also, usually kasi pag may concert kami and may free days kami after, I always like to do like something pang-advocacy ko, like do a charity drive, donation, and this is it. And kasi we'll be going on a world tour then. So, for September, I won't be here in Manila. So, ito yung parang, kasi for my advocacy every per month. So, before September, ito na yun. So, ayun lang. Sana enjoy tayo today! Yes, let's keep our energy up until the end. Sana may energy kayo until the finish line. Hindi naman super haba, hindi naman siya parang full marathon. So, kayang-kaya niyo yan, guys! Yes, again, hep, hep! Okay, let's run! Yan, o diba? Na-energize